Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. In the review, the collection research for sample token listing announcement on cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase between September and May 1, 2022. Afterward, researchers examined the price movements of the sample, the price movements of the sample tokens in the time interval of 3 hours before Coinbase listing announcement up until 100 hours after the announcement on various exchanges. The hypothesis was that insider trading was involved. Tokens that were also available to trade on the shortlisted exchange or DEX before the listing would see abnormal returns compared to those not listed on DEX. Researchers claim the certainly significant level of abnormal returns. The tokens studied were observed at the price patterns on DEX immediately before the Coinbase listing were similar to range up, which needs in known cases of stock insider trading. Additionally, a small subset of wallet addressed on the affluent was suspected of strong accumulative and then quick disposition of tokens after Coinbase listing when live. The study still in the draft status has not been peer-reviewed. The scopes of studies are normally limited by their ability to prove causation on the top correlation on that the abnormal returns in that study can be definitely attributed to traders with non-public information accumulating ahead of time. Coincidentally, around the same time, the paper was cited the U.S. Department of Justice charged a former Coinbase executive with insider trading. The excess has signed pled neutrality. This relatively new trade to the dollar is one explanation for why America refuses to pay cents about crypto industry. The more the use normalize Bitcoin as a source of value internally, the higher the dose of the get adoption or reserve asset abroad. If it's good for BlackRock, then why not a central bank? Countries don't need to put their entry reserves in Bitcoin to benefit from its utility. Given its relative fiat and volatility, it would be risky to own too much just as El Salvador, but is a break glass in case of emergency. Receive as asset a little bit would go a long way. Likely any aging empire, America is likely to rise to the competition. If other countries do start adopting Bitcoin, then Washington may become even more draconian with the use of sanctions, trying to blacklist coins held by remains it doesn't like, and punishing vendors who process certain transactions, but that would mostly hurt the American crypto industry while enforcing the need for a global alternative. Historically, the most popular reserve currencies has been used by countries with totally legal system. The more arbitrary America's sanctions become, the less trust others will have in its money. Bitcoin always does with expected to making an ideal reserve currencies. After all, the permission nature of this network means that anyone can do anything, including continue to process transactions for shared addresses. That does not mean that a reborn winner of a session American actions wants to upset Washington, but it does mean that the call of the head to this optional may come in handy increases. None of this means that global adoption of Bitcoin is imminent. The infrastructure, the global, but the more globalization and to enforce her will and other countries. To enforce her will and other countries, the greater the need for a backup plan, and this relatively new threat to the dollar is one expert refuses to pass sensible crypto regulation. The more the use normalize Bitcoin as store of value internally, the higher the odds that it gets adoption as a reserve asset abroad. If it's a good for BlackRock, then why not a central bank? Countries don't need to put their entry reserves in Bitcoin to benefit from its utility. Given its relative youth and volatility, it would be risky to own too much. Just acts as El Salvador, but as break glass in case of emergency reserve asset. A little bit would go a long way. Like any aging empire, America is likely to rise to this competition. If other countries do start adopting Bitcoin, then Washington may become even more draconian with the use of sanctions. Trying to blacklist coin held by remains doesn't like, and punishing miners process central transaction. Maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.